Can you roll over an old 401k to a Gold IRA today? Retirement savings are often tied up in traditional accounts like 401ks, mostly invested in stocks, bonds, and mutual funds. But what if you want more security against inflation and market swings? One option is to roll over an old 401k to a Gold IRA, which allows you to hold physical gold and other precious metals as part of your retirement portfolio. Get free Gold IRA guide and learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Click the link below in the description to get it. How to roll over an old 401k to a Gold IRA. 1. Check eligibility. If the 401k is from a former employer, you can usually roll it over without restrictions. Current employer plans may require special approval or have limits. 2. Choose a Gold IRA custodian. A Gold IRA must be managed by an IRS-approved custodian. They handle compliance and coordinate the transfer from your 401k. 3. Select a depository. Precious metals in a Gold IRA must be stored in an approved depository, not at home. This ensures security and tax compliance. 4. Direct rollover. Request a direct rollover from your old 401k into the Gold IRA. This avoids taxes and early withdrawal penalties. 5. Buy approved metals. Once the account is funded, you can purchase IRS-approved gold, silver, platinum, or palladium. Coins and bars that meet purity standards qualify. Benefits of a Gold IRA rollover. 1. Diversification. Balances your portfolio with tangible assets. 2. Inflation hedge. Gold historically retains value when the dollar weakens. 3. Safe haven asset. Precious metals often perform well during economic uncertainty. 4. Tax advantages. A rollover keeps your retirement funds tax deferred. Things to consider. 1. Storage and custodian fees apply. 2. Gold does not generate dividends or interest. 3. Liquidity is lower compared to traditional investments. Yes, you can roll over an old 401k to a Gold IRA today. This strategy helps protect your retirement savings with a stable, inflation-resistant asset while keeping tax advantages intact. For those seeking long-term security, adding physical gold through a Gold IRA rollover can be a smart step toward financial resilience. Free Gold IRA Guide. Learn about how to secure your retirement with gold investment. Download your free Gold IRA Guide now. Click the link below in the description to get it. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe.